That's another queue skipped. There's the Hogwarts Express. We're in King's Cross. Does it feel like we're in London now?
No.
I think it does. That lovely aircon. Look how clean everything is. No smell of pee. This really feels like London, doesn't it, baby?
Yeah.
I said, look how clean everything is.
Exactly.
Yeah, I need to as well. Oh, we got a busker. This one feels busier than Islands of Adventure, doesn't it?
They won't let me find it.
Okay. I can see them here. They're just down here on the right-hand side. It was due to be busier. The Islands of Adventure was the recommended day. Oh, here's the new ride.
Oh, is that Fast and Furious?
Yeah.
You sure?
I think so. No idea what this is about. So this is the new Fast and Furious ride. So I don't know anything about this, do you? I quite like that feeling in some ways though. In a bus. Oh, that's nice aircon. Sorry?
That's a car thing.
Yeah. Have you two seen these films? No.
I've seen some of them.
Yeah, I know you have. This is a really long express queue. What do you think of the ride?
Yeah.
It's a bit meh.
5 out of 10.
It was a bit underwhelming, wasn't it?
No, I thought the atmosphere of the ride was really good.
The build-up, it took so long to get on, even for a fast pass. What was it, 25 minutes?
31.
But then it was 31, but then it was so slow going through each bit. And to be honest, the ride
I thought the start and the end of the ride was good, but the middle bit of the pass was a bit weird.
It's hot now.
Yeah, it's quite warm actually. Yeah, it's had a downpour whilst we were in the queue, so that's something positive. We weren't in the rain. No, I'd choose Kong over that.
I find that they're pretty much the same ride.
Yeah, I was going to say, same kind of ride. We're going to go get some food now. Oh, look, there's a bit ride. It definitely feels hotter since we've been in there, just in that half an hour.
Excited.
We're going to head over there to Simpsons for food.
I wouldn't go on that if it was.
No, I wouldn't go on it again, I must admit. I'm not fussed at all. It's definitely busier this side. Look, 70 minutes for Transformers.
I only wonder what Red Ride must be.
There's a big group there. I think as soon as our room's ready though, we're going to head back.
Oh, imagine.
Wonder how busy it's going to be in here.
I can't see it.
No? It's our favourite lunch spot.
Oh wait, I found it.
We are heading out the park. It's too busy. The queue for The Simpsons was all the way back out of the door and all the way around the restaurant. So we're going to go and eat on CityWalk. Do you want to head down to Rick Ride and see what the queue's like?
Busy now, isn't it?
It is really busy.
What do you think?
Yeah, this reminds me of Sharknado 3. Are you?
I don't know why I haven't chosen to go on this before.
Because you're too scared.
I don't understand why.
It's 3:30. We've just ridden Rip Ride Rocket, which was really cool. Kids were right at the very front. We were behind them. We are so hungry. We still haven't had a text to say our room's ready, but we're going to head out the park and get something to eat as we still haven't had lunch. So we're going to make a right here, guys. At least we haven't got far to walk. There's your Voodoo Donuts over
I
there.
didn't realise it's the world's largest.
What's that?
It's the world's largest hard rock.
Yeah, I think I read that once before. Just opposite the pink building, Voodoo Donuts.
You're building for it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
So we're going to go in Chocolate Emporium.
Is everyone happy with that?
Yeah, I really am. I like the fact there's a nice kind of mixture. I'm really fancying soup. Just want something normal.
I don't know, actually, I was going to say just a fruit shake. No, I can't.
No, you're not just having a fruit shake. You need to properly eat. This is your breakfast, lunch and dinner in some ways. We haven't done very well today, have we? Hopefully then as well our room will be ready.
Yeah.
It's been a long day actually, hasn't it? Although it's gone by really fast. Yeah, well it should be ready. If it's supposed to be ready from 4. I'm so ready for food. What are you fancying?
No idea.
You're not sure? you reckon Penelope's there again?
Hopefully.
Yeah. Let's just hope they've got tables though. Maybe not have something just sweet, Lou.
Have something to fill you up.
Holly's got the margarita flatbread. It is very flat. Is it like crisp?
I think so. It looks like naturals.
Yeah.
Oh, look like it's hanging off the edge of the plate, but it's not.
And Aid's got what? Have you got bacon cheeseburger?
Yeah, burger,
And
yeah.
fries. Your fries look good,
They
actually.
look nice. Yeah, you can have those.
And I've got French onion soup, and Louis got a burger as well.
No one want those fries.
It's a really good lunch. I'm so tired now.
That was the perfect smell.
Yeah.
Up past 4, isn't it?
Yeah, still waiting for our room, waiting for that text.
Shop and make over shop.
It's crazy. I could never eat anything like that. That's where we've just had lunch or tea. It's 4:45 and we're still waiting for our room to be ready. We're heading back. Our room is finally ready. That is a nice picture. I agree, Louis. Hi there. We have just had I was going to say a morning at Islands of Adventure, but our room hasn't been ready until 5 o'clock. Checked in at 8:30 this morning, so we've had a full day at the parks. I'm losing my voice. I feel absolutely shattered. We've just been to the Chocolate Emporium for something to eat. Finally in our room, so I thought I would give you a really quick room tour. I've booked a standard room, but with a garden view. I think it was only about £20 more, and I'll come to the view in a minute because we're really pleased with it. We're in Tower 1 in the Lowe's Royal Pacific in Orlando at Universal, and it's floor 6, room number 50, so 1650, and I'll just give you a quick look around our room. So we've got a huge mirror here, and we've got one sink with a mirror, and we've got the bathroom, which has an overhead shower, has got toiletries, has also got the little bit, so you've got a mini washing line, and obviously the loo. We've got hairdryer, towels, flannels, again more kind of toiletries, shaving mirror. Quite a nice space. Oh, you've got a lock-off room there if you want an extra room. There is a room there. Obviously we haven't. Oh, I can't open these wardrobes. Oh, there we go. Extra bedding, iron, decent amount of space, hanging space. There is a safe. There is an ironing board. And this is the room. Fiji water that you do not touch because it's $7.50. Is there a fridge in here actually?
Yes, there is.
Oh, there is,
It's under the
okay.
TV in the
Big
front
TV, big units. Aid says there's a fridge. We've got 2 queen beds. We've got 2 kids with us. So they are in the other bed. Lights. We've got charging stations, alarm clock, phone. The beds look really comfy, which is great as I am shattered. Huge mirror. Desk with more charging stations, lights, an extra chair and lamp. Quite nice little bedside lamps. And this is our view, which we're really happy with. We've got Rip Ride Rocket, we've got Hulk, we've got Doctor Doom. We've also got, oh, I need to step over, rather exciting, we've got Hogwarts there. Let me zoom in. You can see it all from here. We've got a little bit of Ripsaw Falls. Looks really cool. You can see where they're building the new roller coaster there as well. So this is nice. You've got the river down there and water taxis. So this was a garden view for just about, I think it was about 20 or 30 pounds more than the standard view, which I think is well worth it. Going in for round 2 of Islands of Adventure. We checked into our room earlier on. The previous video is below the link. I'm feeling a bit crap. I'm losing my voice. I've just had a snooze and we are now going for the water rides. Aid is taking the water camera, so we are going to go now. We have decided to get the ponchos out of the car I've never been on a water ride with a poncho before, but as I'm not feeling very well, I think it's the wise thing to do because I just don't want to feel crappy tomorrow. I would say this hotel's really easy to navigate around, isn't it? It's really easy to get your car. And this is the car park, which is right opposite the Royal Pacific. We've parked in the corner, and you can hear the roar of Hulk constantly. And that's how close the lobby is, just literally over the road. It's really easy. You can see Hulk over on the other side. This is just up to the lobby. You can walk to the parks from here, around the side of the hotel, and the entrance is up here. It's really quick and easy.
It's all Louis' fault, isn't it?
Worked quite so well this time.
And my bum's really wet.
Yeah, I have a wet bum as well.
Yeah, but it's more the top half I'm thinking of.
Yeah.
I know. Look at him. Right, we need an unveiling. Holly, Lisa's going to take hers up first.
Right, so this is the ultimate test of how the Disney...
One minute. Holly's going to do it
Do you
for
want
both
to show
of
how
us.
wet Louis is?
Careful with the lens with the left hand.
Louis is without poncho.
Louis, can you wring out your t-shirt?
Bring out my shoes.
Why are you bringing your shoes out, you Wally?
Bring out my... Okay. Not even that bad.
Okay.
This is with poncho.
Not that bad.
Too bad. My bum feels wet.
Oh
Got my
no.
t-shirt.
It's
Not
a bit
too
wet.
bad.
Your shirt's quite wet.
Yeah,
Me?
Might be
Yeah,
sweat.
Only lightly salted.
What about the back though?
I can't. Yeah, your shorts are quite wet.
I am subtly moist.
Somebody do my voice for my vlog. Say we're going to Sapphire Falls
Going to Sapphire Falls
for the evening.
this evening.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Say Mum's lost her voice.
Mum's lost her voice.
Thank you.
I have got some of those strip tools on me.
Thanks.
Just wandering to Sapphire Falls. Lisa's lost her voice, so sorry, you'll probably be stuck with me. It won't be as exciting as Lisa and as interesting to listen to, but we're just on the way. The water taxi's just gone past. The whole rides are all lit up. You can just see Dr. Doom. Is it Dr. Doom?
Yeah.
And the hotel back there. Just wait for that boat to pass. Yeah, we found last year when we wandered here. We loved the hotel here, the Sapphire Falls. But because it doesn't have the front of line passes, we chose not to stay here. But it's actually, I think inside it's a nice. I actually think we in some ways prefer it.
Yeah.
Like food choice is nice. There's a quick serve. They do lovely milkshakes. whereas the Royal Pacific doesn't seem to have that. We found last time when we stayed, we could kind of grab coffee in the morning, but they didn't seem to serve it all day. But there's equally no real quick serve of any sort.
Yeah.
What you fancy? Here's the store. Jurassic World. Wander into the Dutch trading.
I like those mugs.
Yeah, we like those mugs. Saw them last year, didn't we?
Oh, it smells amazing.
That's really good.
Yeah. Mum, do you want to try some? We're going to have to get another one.
That's what I was literally saying.
Yeah.
I want mango.
Can I try your chocolate?
Love, you got chocolate. You always go for chocolate.
It's all gelato. Gelato makes the difference. Ice cream is
But gelato makes better.
that's so good.
Gelato makes better milkshakes.
Gelato's just better in general.
Softer.
Yeah.
Is it creamier?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. We can get ice water in there before we go back, can't we?
Toilets are going to be full the whole day. Sticky. What's wrong with people? It's so
Holly, what's the matter?